percent earn 90% of the income in that field. Any field you can choose follows that normal distribution curve. So we are going to go through some examples. I know some of you like football. So let's use football as an example. How many like football? Football as an example. We are going to get, whom do you think are the top 10% earners, or who belong to the top 10% in terms of football? So you can say in the top 10%, the people who belong in the top 10%, we can call them maybe the top 7 leagues in the world, right? Footballers who are in the top 10%, right? So the total footballers in the top 7 leagues, how many can we calculate them? So each team usually has about 24 players, right? 20 in a league, right? And about times 7, how many players are those? 3,360. So you would say those are among the top 10% players. I mean the top people who play football. Remember, every career follows this normal distribution curve, right? So in terms of football, the top 10%, or the people belonging to the top 10%, are those 3,330 footballers.
Sure, right? What we came for. Okay, so our next phase is we're going to dive deeper into the hackathon itself. Okay? Okay, so we've chosen a challenge around our products, right? And we've chosen eGSMS. Okay? It is very, very easy to understand. It's a very simple use case. Solves a very simple use case for people. You want to communicate to clients, just to go and send them a text message. Done, right? Now, the challenge today, you're going to create a program that sends SMSs, right? Using our tech platform. Simple stuff, right? So we've split it into two. We have what we call an SDK. Do you know what SDKs are? So now, in most cases, you have to write about 200 lines of code to send an SMS or to integrate with a given platform. Make sense? So there are two ways of going about this challenge. You can use that approach. It shows if it was being a criminal, you're a hardcore criminal, right? If you can really write 200 lines of code to solve that challenge, you know what you're doing. There's another approach for people who enjoy simplicity. SDK. 2 lines of code, the SMS is out. Okay? So if you feel like the other one is too, of course I would like to see the one who goes for the tough one.